To prepare the PC for wall mounting, lock the stand by pulling the stand upright and sliding its locking latch. Detach the single screw for the hard drive and memory cover. Remove the hard drive and memory cover. Detach the 4 screws securing the stand to the PC and pull off the stand. Pull out the wireless keyboard and mouse receiver from its USB slot. Pull off the I/O cover. Swing the connector cable guide up and pull it off its peg. Remove each of the rear plastic side panels by pulling up at the bottom of each panel and lifting it off the PC. The back cover has 13 screws holding it in place that will need to be removed. After removing the screws, pull up on the bottom edge of the cover and angle it up before pulling off the cover. Remove both feet. Replace the back cover. Replace the 13 screws for the back cover. To replace the side panels, align the top tab into its slot and press the rest of the tabs into place. Replace the I/O cable guide. Replace the I/O cover. Press the foot inserts that came with the PC into the holes where the feet were removed. The wall mount base bracket has 2 small tabs that fit into 2 slots on the unit. Place the bracket tabs into the slots. Reach a screwdriver through the holes in the back of the base bracket and use the 4 stand screws to secure the bracket. Replace the keyboard and mouse receiver and the hard drive and memory cover. Secure the hard drive and memory cover screw through the center of the wall mount bracket. The PC is now ready to attach wall mounting hardware to the bracket using the manufacturer's instructions.